Hello, welcome back to Igbo Online College. No, na Igbo Online College. Eji m n'aka na ịdị mma, eji m n'aka na ị na-asụ Igbo. Ekene m gị. No. Achọrọ m ka anyị kwuo maka akụkụ ahụ, parts of the body in Igbo. Parts of the body is akụkụ ahụ. Say it. Akụkụ ahụ. Ahụ is body. Ahụ, body. You might hear some people say arụ. It is the same thing as ahụ, just dialectal differences. Alright? So akụkụ ahụ, parts of the body. Akụkụ is part or side. Akụkụ ahụ, parts of the body. Alright. Let's go. Hair is ntutu. 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 That is hair. On the head. The hair on the head. Now, hairs found on other parts of the body are called aji, not ntutu. The one you have on your hand, on your armpit, your pubic areas, they are all aji. But this is the only one you say ntutu. The one you have on your jaw, you say afuono. You could say aji afuono, or you simply say afuono. So this is the only thing. The one on the head is the only one referred to as ntutu. The whole of your head is isi, head. Isi, say it. Isi. Face, ihu, ihu. Some people say iru is just dialectal differences. H and R they are the only difference. Now you could say ihu or iru, anyone you are comfortable with. It means face. We have here your forehead, egedege ihu. Egedege ihu. Egedege ihu. Your eyebrow, iku anya. Iku anya. Iku anya. Say it. Alright. Your eyes, anya. Anya. Eyes. Anya. Anya. The eyelid, ibubele anya. Ibubele anya. Say it. Ibubele. Then anya. So you have ibubele anya. Nti. Nti. The ears. Nti. Say it. Nti. Nti. Nose, imi, imi. Cheeks, nti. This one is nti, 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 nti. We have agba, agba, jaw, agba, agba. Mouth, ọnụ, mouth, ọnụ, ọnụ, mouth, ọnụ, mouth, ọnụ. The lips, egbugbere ọnụ, egbugbere ọnụ, egbugbere ọnụ, egbugbere ọnụ. Teeth, eze, 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 eze. Remember to try to learn the tone. Try to pronounce it with the tone with which I pronounce it, because if you change the tone, it's going to mean another thing. So you say Eze. If you say eze, it is another thing. Eze, that is teeth. Tongue, ile, ile, ile. The truth, akpere, akpere, or you say akpele. Anambra people, some parts of Igbo we say akpele, some we say akpere, but the standard Igbo is akpere. Here is onu or olu. Olu is the standard Igbo. Onu is the dialectal variety. Is the variety. We have the dialect. Onu, olu. Anyone you are comfortable with, just use. It's every Igbo person understands it. Okay. Onu, or you say olu. Shoulders. Ubu. Ubu, shoulders. Ubu, ubu, your back. Azu, azu. Let me not forget, the back of your head here is called ekwe. Ekwe, the back of the head here is ekwe. Here, opune isi, opune isi. Do you get that? Opune isi, ekwe, ekwe. If you want to express that somebody is stubborn, you say ona akpo ekwe nku. Ona akpo ekwe nku. It means the person is stubborn. All right. The chest. Chest, obi. Chest, obi. If you say obi kpọrọ ya nkụ, it means he or she is wicked. Obi ya siri ike. His heart is hard. He has a hard heart. He's hard-hearted. Obi tara ya obi kpọrọ ya nkụ. He is wicked, hard-hearted. Obi is chest. Obi, chest. Breast. Breast. Ara, ara, or ala, just R and L. Ara is the standard Igbo, while ala is dialectal, the variety. You use any one you want to use. Every Igbo person understands it. Okay, so don't be afraid to use anyone you feel you want to use. Use anyone at all. Okay, let's go ahead. As ara, ala means breast. In another context, if you use ala or ara, it could mean madness. Inayi ara, are you mad? Inayi ala, are you mad? Are you crazy? Onyara, mad person. Onyala, mad person. Onayara, he or she is mad. So, depending on the context you are using it, it could mean madness, it could mean the mammary gland, part of the body. So we have aka. The whole of your hand is aka, but this place is mgbaaka. Mgbaaka. Then you have your fingers, mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka, your fingers, mkpịsị aka, mkpịsị aka. Those are your fingers. Your palm, obo aka. Obo aka, that's your palm. Obo aka, obo aka. Here, elbow is ikpere aka. Ikpere aka. Can you say that? Ikpere aka. Then we have stomach. Afọ. Afọ. Your stomach is afọ. Afọ. Afọ, stomach. If you say afọ tara ya mmiri, it means he or she is wicked. Afọ tara ya mmiri, he or she is wicked. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share. And if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so immediately and turn on the notification so that you will know when I upload other videos. Dalo, thank you. Kemesia.